Hello and welcome to Brainy Gardener. Today it is all about how to grow and care for the Yellow Tower Cactus. The Yellow Tower Cactus is a succulent plant found in the wild in Argentina. It is also known as the Lemon Cactus and the Golden Ball Cactus. It is a medium-sized columnar cactus that can reach a height of up to 3 feet tall, with a trunk that is about an inch thick. Each column sports around 30 ribs with soft white gold spines. The spines are soft to the touch, unlike most cacti, making handling easy. Delightful yellow flowers appear in summer from the top of a mature plant. Maturity takes about 5 years, but new offshoots emerge from the base much before that. It is a popular plant for use in landscaping, as it is low maintenance and drought tolerant. It can be grown in full sun or partial shade and does not require much water to thrive. It is quite easy to care for and makes an excellent addition to any succulent collection. The Yellow Tower Cactus grows best in full sun but can also tolerate some shade. In hot climates, some protection from the afternoon sun is appreciated but not needed. For indoor plants, place them near a sunny window where they'll receive plenty of bright light. The Yellow Tower Cactus is a drought-tolerant plant, so it doesn't require much water to thrive. When watering, be sure to allow the soil to dry out completely between watering. This succulent is susceptible to root rot, so it's important not to overwater. The plant goes dormant during winter and won't need as much water. Don't water unless you test the potting mix and find it completely dry. The Yellow Tower Cactus prefers warm temperatures and low humidity. In hot climates, this plant is perfect for you. The plant can tolerate some cold but should be protected from frost. Anything below freezing is a problem if it persists. Keep dry in winter to prevent any problems. Indoor plants will do best in a room with average household temperatures and humidity levels. If your home is particularly dry, the cactus will appreciate the lack of moisture. This cactus doesn't require fertilizer at all. Too much fertilizer is harmful to the plant. If you do choose to fertilize, use a low nitrogen fertilizer and apply it sparingly. Only fertilize in the spring and summer, as that's when the plant is actively growing. The Yellow Tower Cactus can be propagated by seeds or cuttings. To propagate by seeds, wait until the flowers have blossomed, and then remove the seed pods. Allow the pods to dry for a few days, then open them up and remove the seeds. Sow the seeds in a well-drained cactus mix and water sparingly. Keep the soil barely moist and place it in a warm, sunny spot. The seeds will germinate in 7 to 21 days. To propagate by cuttings, wait until the plant is in its growth phase. Take a 3 to 4 inch cutting from the stem. Allow the cuttings to callus for a couple of days, then plant them in a well-draining cactus mix. Water sparingly and keep them in a warm, sunny spot until they root. Cuttings will root within a few weeks. The Yellow Tower Cactus are slow growers and don't need to be repotted often. It is best to leave the plant in its pot for several years before moving to a new pot. When you do repot, be sure to use a well-draining cactus mix and a pot with drainage holes. To repot your cactus, remove it from its current pot and gently brush away any excess soil from the roots. Place the plant in the new pot and fill in around the roots with a fresh cactus mix. Water thoroughly and allow the soil to dry out. This plant is non-toxic to humans and animals. It is completely safe to keep around the house if you have kids or pets. The Yellow Tower Cactus is fairly resistant to pests and diseases, but few insects can cause problems. They include mealybugs and aphids. To get rid of mealybugs, you can use a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol and wipe them away. You can also try using insecticidal soap or neem oil. Aphids can be handled in the same way.